tornado warning for Southeastern County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, northwestern Newton County in northwestern Indiana until 7:45 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Martinton, or 12 miles west of Morocco, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hopkins Park around 7:05 p.m. Lake Village around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Papinal and Beaverville.
Alright, this one's out.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Orland Park is 17 nautical miles southwest of Gary, moving northeast